We have only one precious earth, and it is every single person's duty to take care of it. EVERGREEN Tire takes this commitment seriously. A spirit of environmental sustainability is embedded in all of the tires we make. We do our part in saving the world's limited resources and developing tires in a sustainable, responsible way for the shared health and well-being of all of our future generations. EVERGREEN has a strong reputation for safety, performance, and quality in over 120 countries around the world. Through expert international marketing and sales, our tires have great success on the global market. EVERGREEN is driven by our values of honesty, trustworthiness, and being customer-oriented, which sets us apart as a brand that works to maximize the common interest of consumers, dealers, and suppliers. Our mission-driven corporation results in valued product for all of our users. Users across the spectrum of driving, ranging from everyday drivers to race car champions, have great respect for EVERGREEN. Since day one, we have been driven by curiosity and our quest for perfection to develop the most advanced, safe, and highest performing tires possible. With each product we make, we set a higher standard, incorporating expert research and development. Our design and innovation produce the highest quality tires to ensure safe and pleasurable driving experiences for everyone. E+ is EVERGREEN's new generation of technology, spotlighting efficiency, economy, environment, and engineering. Under the guidance of the Global Momentum Design Strategy, EVERGREEN incorporates design thinking while tailoring to markets and responding to consumer demands. Utilizing advanced technological resources, EVERGREEN persistently elevates its research and development R&D initiatives. The results are increasingly efficient, highly economical, more environmentally friendly, and expertly engineered products. EVERGREEN's new generation of technology includes the following innovations: heat-releasing technology, hyper-control functions, water-draining capacity, water-repelling functions, ultra-grip technology, and maximum fuel efficiency. Through continuous iterative R&D, EVERGREEN's tire technology has propelled innovations in transportation. EVERGREEN's technological advances provide consumers with top-of-the-line products, while promoting the global momentum strategic design for EVERGREEN to boldly face the future. Every driver deserves an experience that is both safe and exciting. EVERGREEN works hard to design, engineer, and manufacture tires that deliver an ultimate driving experience filled with exhilaration and adventure. EVERGREEN generously sponsors world-class athletes on the international racing circuits. EVERGREEN invests in winners and success. These sponsorships advertise EVERGREEN's cutting-edge competitive performance, boosting brand awareness and connection with car users on every continent. As champions cross the finish line, EVERGREEN Tires receive global exposure and fame, showing the world the strength and quality of EVERGREEN Tires. Leading experts trust us as a producer of quality tires. Our company has received extensive accreditation from organizations around the world and earned some of the top awards in our industry. As the industry experts trust and recognize our excellence, you can too. EVERGREEN. Drive to the future.